Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I wash and prepare my natural hair and how I fit it all under a wig. And the best part is there are no cornrows involved in this whole process. So if you want to know how I do all of this, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I do is obviously wash my hair, and currently my hair is pre-pooed. I pre-pooed my hair beforehand with water and conditioner just to detangle my hair because I really was not in the mood to detangle my hair for 45 minutes in the shower, you feel me? So yeah, that's why. Okay, and the next thing I do is shampoo my hair with my favorite Garnier shampoo. This is a sulfate shampoo that definitely gets rid of all the product buildup. Okay, I have low porosity hair, I have a lot of product buildup, and I want to start with a clean slate, and that's why I'm shampooing like all of my hair, not only my scalp, but I'm distributing the shampoo like to the ends too, because I want my hair to be squeaky clean. I want my hair underneath my wig to be perfectly moisturized, so that only works if your hair has a good starting point. Okay, so I just rinse that out real quick, and after shampooing my hair, I condition my hair and I detangle my hair once again, but like really fast. And this is my staple Cream of Nature professional conditioner. I will leave all the links to these products in the description box, but this is just a conditioner that has tons of slip. It is affordable and it helps to detangle my hair very well. So I also leave that in for about 10 minutes until I'm done showering, and it leaves my hair very soft. So I'm very satisfied with this conditioner. Like, it is one of my staple conditioners. I cannot say anything bad about this stuff. So after shampooing and detangling my hair in the shower, I wring out the excess water, and I also towel dry my hair because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet for the next step that I do. So I always leave my towel in for about 30 minutes until my hair is kind of damp. Once I'm out of the shower, it is time to moisturize my hair. Like, moisturizing your hair is definitely key to retaining length. Like, if you would just do like a protective style without even moisturizing your hair, then you're doing it wrong, sis. You have to moisturize your hair, and I moisturize with my Royal Herbal Organics leave-in conditioner. Click the icon on the left or right side of the screen, I don't know, to see my full review. But I love this product. This is an all natural organic product. Okay, and now I'm just sealing all of that in with my Aunt Jackie's balanced grapeseed and avocado oil. This is one of my favorite oils. It is not all natural, but it's like a serum, and I love that. Okay, so when I'm done moisturizing, I just braid my hair in 2 braids, y'all. Okay, here's the thing. I tried doing cornrows, and it's just like an extra step for nothing, to be honest. Like, for me, I don't know about you, but for me, that's like just too much cornrows. The thing is, when I'm wearing closure wigs, I don't have to worry about my edges. Okay, so I only have to worry about like the parting space, like the closure part, and that's it. Yeah, I don't need to like hide my edges really, because you don't even see them. And when I'm wearing frontal wigs, I do like 2 cornrows, but I don't do like 15 cornrows to make my hair lay flat, because for me, I have the exact same effect if I do this and when I do cornrows. It's like the exact same thickness. So I just do 2 tight braids, and then I wrap them around my head, and then I secure them with bobby pins. To be honest, like, that's the flattest my hair can be. Super fast, super easy. I don't overthink the whole process. So yeah, if it works for me, why not continue doing it? Okay. I always wear a nude wig cap to even secure my braids even more, and that's my formula for wearing big natural hair underneath wigs. So I'm wearing a unit that I made myself, and this is hair from DYHAIR777, and this is their Royal Brazilian Straight in lengths 16, 18, 20 and 22 inch with a 14-inch closure, and I sewed them all on a extra large spandex dome cap. And a extra large spandex dome cap is key for if you have a lot of hair like me, okay? This unit fits perfectly on my head. So if you may or not may know, myself and I've been a loyal customer from DYHAIR777 for about 5 years now. I bought bundles 5 years ago from them, and they are still on fleek till this day. So that's why I always recommend DYHAIR777 to all my family and friends, because I truly love their hair. This hair was sent to me for review, but the hair that I bought for myself was always as tangle free, as soft, as beautiful, on point, on fleek as this batch of hair. So I never ever received a bad batch of hair. Like, the bundles were always on point, and I'm so satisfied with everything they offer and their service. So once again, this is their Brazilian Royal Straight. If you're buying hair from DYHAIR777, make sure you buy the Royal Grade, because that's their better quality of hair. Okay, that's the best tip I can give you. But for the rest, I'm like 100% satisfied with everything they offer and all their hair. So definitely check them out. I left the link in the description box, and also all the hair details are in the description box as usual. So thank you so much for watching this video, okay? And I will see you in my next one. Bye.